on, camera. Don't load slowly, please.
Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cherokee County in southwest North Carolina, Anderson County, Blount County, Bradley County, Hamilton County, Knox County, Loudoun County, Bickman County, Meigs County, Monroe County, Polk County, Willing County, extreme western Sevier County until 8 p.m. At 7:27 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 9 miles east of Spring City to Indian Springs, moving east at 80 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Kingston,
80 miles per hour.
Sweetwater, Loudoun, Benton, Lenore City, Madisonville, Alcota, Merrittville, Ducktown, Charleston, Wickett, Eagleton Village, Paintrock, Clear Skies Water, Riceville, Casso, and Calhoun. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can